So to start, let me give some context. Orisando is a new brand focused on space variant retarders. It was created by Workshop of Photonics, a company with more than 20 years of experience in femtosecond laser micromachining. And Workshop of Photonics have introduced space variant retarders to the market back in 2012. And after more than a decade of success and global recognition in the optics and photonic industry, Workshop of Photonics established Orisando in 2025 as a distinct brand to strengthen its position in advanced polarization optics. Along with the brand launch, Orisando also has released an online eShop. The eShop allows customers to easily explore our standard products, purchase it, review the key specifications, and submit technical inquiries directly. With this background in mind, let's look at the technology. So our optics are fabricated using patented femtosecond direct laser writing technology. This process creates self-organizing nanograting inside of the bulk of fused silica. It is a periodic structure that has a bifringence. So this type of process allows nanometer level control of retardants and fast axis orientation. So each element can be designed with spatially varying bifringent properties across the multiple degrees of freedom and enables complex beam shaping and polarization conversions. So this approach allows us to combine very high precision with long-term stability, which is critical for demanding laser environments. So as a nanograting structures are inside of the material, laser damage threshold is compatible to a standard fused silica, making our elements very suitable for high power systems. And based on this technology, let me explain how our optics works. So in a standard waveplate, the fast axis orientation and retardants are constant across the whole aperture. And in space variant retarders, both perimeters can vary as a function of position. This allows spatial control of polarization, phase beam structure within a single flat optical element. This means that instead of using several optical elements, a single space variant retarder can perform multiple functions at once. And this brings us to our initial specs. So it's important to mention that all our elements are tailored according to customer requirements, and typically is fabricated into 1-inch substrate fused silica. However, we are not limited to that. We are open for the custom sizes. And the elements work for the specific wavelength. However, our customers can choose from UV, visible, and infrared spectral range. The retardance and aperture size is adjustable to customer requirements. And our elements show high transmission rates, especially in visible and infrared spectral range. Okay, yes. And Orisando offers different types of space variant retarders for various lasers application. And here you can see some of them listed. So S waveplate, higher order S waveplates, flat hexagons that convert Gaussian beam into Bessel-Gauss beam. This beam maintains its shape over a longer distance, and it's useful for laser processing like high aspect ratio drilling. And one element is able to produce negative, positive, negative, and combination of negative and positive Bessel-Gauss zones. Flat top converters that transform Gaussian beam into flat top beam, and it improves the quality and consistency in material processing. The polarization compensators, and I would like to highlight that Orisando also can provide custom solutions, so functions are very adaptable to the customer requirements. And I still have some time. I would like to highlight two of the elements. So one of the most selling one is our S waveplates. That is a standalone element that converts linear polarization to radial or azimuthal polarization. And with input beam being polarization, it can generate the optical vortex beam. Also, Orisando offers a developed and verified solution to solve the polarization issue, an optical element that compensates the distortion of original polarization in the gain medium. So due to unique properties of precisely inscribed nanograding, the depolarization compensator is flexible, versatile, and it can be widely adjusted according to customer requirements. So in the summary, Orisanda combines the proven femtosecond laser fabrication technology with high design flexibility and strong performance for advanced polarization optics. So thank you very much. With that, I would like to thank you, and I'm here to answer your questions, and feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.